Oh,
She's with
okay.
me.
Ah, that's good,
Hello.
nice. What? My
Good
gosh, you are
evening.
sick.
Yeah,
Good
I'm
evening,
sick
Sue.
na. I'm love sick.
You must be take shower, but problem about the AC. If you on the AC and then you're more sick.
Later I take shower. We just came back from work na. That's why.
Yeah, you're tired. You must be rest. You properly eat. Yes.
Where are you right now?
I'm here,
Friend
Azizian,
ko
here to
siya,
village,
nasa
mom.
Asisiya siya.
Na?
You know,
You're
mom.
here in Qatar also?
Yes, you know, mommy. Last night I go to the village, and then I come back to 11 o'clock because I just walk 7 minutes now. I feel bored my room. Then I go to village mall. I'm sit there, then drinking, like that, eating.
See, you you want me to go with you, and then we're going that just that you and me only walking, Shuhada. That's then your friend were asking, that's your mother?
Yeah, the one astaghfirullah, just have a friend. شنو هذا? Okay, bring your friend.
Oh, see,
Oh, see? Somebody's calling you na. Your girlfriend call for you na.
Yalap, Pikachu, before you come up here, block it first. Block her first.
Hello, Seban Hussein. See, your girlfriend keep calling you na.
Sana all, sister in heart.
Starly Isabella. Pikachu, my house. What happened to your house?
Ayun na, bumaba na. Yahamon.
Anong nangyari daw sa bahay niya? Sabi niya, my house.
I don't know.
Baka nasunog yung bahay niya. Nababayaan yung sinaing.
Niwanan yata yung sinaing.
Naiwan yung sinaing niya. Kaya my house. Sister. Sister call daw. Okay. Take your time. Took your sister. Sister in heart.
Nakita mo si ano nandiyan dyan?
Hindi man naka-block man ako sa kanya, blinak man niya ako, paano ko makikita? Hello, lucky boy.
Bakit ka initiman?
Initiman niya ako kasi hindi ko siya sinupot sa date namin.
Tapos ka na nagsayaw at sir.
Hindi ko sinipot sa date namin, kaya niya ako initiman. Ay, Hamod. Yala, make me puti-puti, not itim.
Tapos ka na pala sumayaw tayo.
Why you itim-itim meat
Ansar
na?
Qatar. Lucky boy.
Nasaan kaya tong mga daddy na to? Hanggang ngayon hindi pa nagmi-message sa akin ah. Lasing naman na ata to ah. Hello po, Kuya Dondon.
Hi,
Evening.
Nakahawak
good
pa
evening
na ng
po.
red horse ah.
Kumusta?
Pahingi po kami ng red horse nyo. Share
Red
your
Horse and the San
blessing.
Miguel.
San Miguel, anything that you have,
One Red Horse and
give
one
us
San
na.
Miguel.
Share with mommy and me.
Hmm? Come. You are in Qatar?
Yes, we are in Qatar.
She's with me.
I'm with mommy.
Okay. Okay. Then
Open your
come.
cam, Kuya Dondon. Where I come? Your house?
Doha. No problem.
Doha?
Okay.
We're already here in Doha. Dragon Lady, welcome. Pikachu, after you took your sister in heart, come back in up, up, up. Oh no. Dragon lady.
This is a kalbo.
Up, up, up. You are kalbo? Where's your
Yeah,
hair?
I remove nay because hot too much.
Ito
And
na
which
naman
part
tayo,
you are in
mami.
Philippines? Which part you are in Philippines?
In Manila.
Where in Manila?
Hmm. Saan na ba yun, mami? Caloocan.
Caloocan.
Paranaque.
Ininambot namin pala niya.
Me in Cavite.
Cavite?
Yeah.
Cavite? Cavite niya?
Yes.
Sino yung nagre-request, mami?
Tingnan mo. Nang may pakinabang naman yung pagka-moderator.
Accept ko?
Tingnan mo.
Siyempre, ask ko muna sa'yo, malay ko kung mamaya maggalit ka. Accept natin?
Mag-accept ka kung sinong accept mo.
Accept na natin lahat para may mabulabog tayo. Hello? Hello, I cannot understand your name na. Oh no.
He's from Bangladesh
Hi. Okay, you're from Bangladesh.
because his name is Bengali.
You are in Baon, sana all. Where is the sun?
Where is the sun? It's already night time.
He's blind.
Where is the sun? In the moon. Ay, nalang mabubang na naman ako dito. Sakit na nga ng tiyan ko.
Dayan, ikaw mag-entertain dyan. Bahala ka dyan.
Brother, where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
How much your name?
Bangladesh. How much is your name?
My name is Kajiani.
When do you live? Where do you live? Where are you now? Why are you talukbong? Don't make your face shy na.
Welcome, Randy Montoya, Hossein.
Randy Montoya, welcome to our live.
I close my video because I'm drinking now.
Okay. No problem, brother Don. Take your time. Just drink until you drunk.
Then I sleep.
Okay, after you sleep, then you wake up.
Mommy, come na. Come with your friend. Let's drink.
No, we are not allowed to go outside if it's not our day off.
Okay, on your day off.
In our day off, we have appointment.
Okay. Good.
After appointment, then we will come. Ito naman si Bangladesh, nagpapakyut lang ang ginagawa. Mami, para siyang si Mr. Sobe.
Bangladesh is no good, huh? Is
Ako si Mr. Sobe. Ay, ang sakit na nun.
this is Qatar?
Huwag mo pakatitigan, Mi. Malaglag ng bigote niya.
He's gone.
What happened? Yeah.
He said that
he's
this
gone na.
is Qatar,
Maybe
then he gone.
he's busy. Yeah. Needy Tiwari. Ay, nalang. Kabayan,
Oy,
Manila
kabayan.
Fashion. Hello po, kabayan. Welcome to our live.
Don.
Yes po. Yes po. Why nothing?
Nothing.
Are you Filipino or what, Brother Dondon?
No, I'm pure Indian po.
Ah, you're Indian po. Ah, okay. You also know po.
Because I'm living in Philippines
Okay.
since 16 years.
How come you're living in Philippines? You married, you have wife in Philippines?
Yes, I have
See,
wife, my
in
ex-wife,
Philippines?
but I have two
Philippines?
daughters. Yeah, yeah.
So you have
I have two
Philippine wife,
daughters.
Filipina wife.
Ex-wife
Not
po.
today.
Not
Welcome.
today, but tomorrow. Andito si not today for not tomorrow.
It's up to you.
Hello, not today for tomorrow. Sakit talaga ng leg ko. Not today, but tomorrow. Come. And tomorrow never comes.
Mommy, what about the Thursday?
Ha?
What about the Thursday? Let's drink.
Inshallah.
Okay.
User 549788659. Hello guys.
Yakyat mo yung mga dumadaan dyan.
What happened in your head? You have head pain? Headache?
Yeah, I have a headache.
And tell mommy na, she'll make massage you.
Mommy also have headache na.
You massage her, then she will massage you.
We'll massage together.
Yeah.
Asan na kaya yung daddy
Just
na yan?
now, we arrived here 8 o'clock.
Hi, Mohammed Adam here.
Mommy, I have so many clothes to iron.
No need to iron na.
Come.
Asan na yung si Kuya Elson? Nakita ko. Hi guys.
I'm planning to call tomorrow some cleaning company to iron my clothes.
Okay.
Cool na here.
You call
I
here
don't know
na.
your company
Cleaning
number.
company. You give na, Mami. In request for
Yeah,
Mami.
what?
Give you.
But then request for
No,
Mami.
I have school.
How much po?
And
4 hours in your
afternoon,
company?
Who is
100.
joined?
How much your company take? 4 hours?
100 for 4 hours.
Okay. I'm paying also other company 100.
Yeah,
In
25
there.
per hour.
But the problem they are sending sometimes the Nepali and Uganda. I don't like the work. They don't know how to iron.
I know how to iron.
Okay. You come na, mommy.
For ironing, just call to the
Office.
office. But I am not available because morning I have school and afternoon I have in Barwasi.
Oh.
Hi, Ali.
We have here this Nepali.
Nepali, Bangladesh.
No, 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 no way. Even free, I don't want.
You only want Filipina?
Yes, po.
Okay. But we're not
They know how to
available.
clean. They know how to iron, how to clean, how to fix the house.
Yes.
No need to tell them do like
Yes.
this, like this. They knows.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
My cake. Sino tong my cake?
Ah? Saan may cake? Argerias.
Ah,
Samer Monsier. Sino to?
si Samir.
Sinong Samir?
Si Kan, andyan.
No, kininamot ka. Visit animal. Putik.
Yakyat mo.
Paano ko ba iaakyat? Hindi ko man alam mag-akyat.
Ayan na. Yakyat mo na. Yan na,
Hi,
Kan.
Kan. Nangan Kan.
Open the close.
Kan, nangan Kan.
Na
Ah,
all.
what happened?
Kitang-kita sa color green.
Kan, nangan Kan. What's up, yo? Mami, tignan mo baka dumaan dyan si Daddy. Hindi ko makita.
Ayan mo ngayon.
Ha?
Dito ka lang naman sa live ko.
Iaakyat natin.
Tungkalin ko siya.
Enjoy life, come.
Yakyat
Join
mo silang
our
lahat
live.
para mag-sit sila.
Sino ba tong enjoy life?
Ewan ko. Ewan ko.
Enjoy life, come up na. Enjoy life. We enjoy our life.
Me have classes, just I call you later. I come in later, okay?
Ah?
Me
What
have
did you
class
say?
starting.
You have class again? Yala, go to your class.
Yeah, because me starting class time.
You start your class? I hope your class is not going to finish na. Stay there.
Me have class in Binance. Lazim I will take. But
Every time class.
Bismillah, tawakkal.
Buti naman ngayon ka, nagsuklay ka na. Ay, hindi pa rin.
Tumatayo pa rin eh.
Nakatayo pa rin, lagyan mo ng gel.
Yeah.
Kan, use gel to your hair so cannot always go up like this. It looks like you always saw a monster.
What are you doing in the gel?
Hi,
Why you waste
Mohammed
money for the gel?
Erfan.
Balo gero ka kan wala.
Ano kaya nangyari dito kay Daddy?
Bakit? Offline? Baka tulog. Ay, An. Akyat ka, An.
Yun naman si puro class. Mamaya na naman, uulanin na naman niya ako ng tao, animal na to.
Sino?
Yun, si Kan. Buang.
Hate the Aisha.
Candy Aisha. Welcome. Happy boy. Happy boy, happy boy.
Who is this cake?
Cake, who are you? Come in, come up na.
Heka.
Cake, tupik, tupik. Tupik, tupik daw. Yalla, come up, cake. I want cake. Oh, 9:22 na pala.
Wait, huh?
Oh. Ah,
Go sleep na, tulog na.
yeah, we have time. 10 o'clock, we're going to end our live and we're going to sleep.
10 o'clock, we're going to sleep.
Yeah, 10 o'clock, we're going to sleep na.
Good.
We still have time.
I'm going to feed also my
37
baby
minutes.
dog. My baby want to
Huh?
eat. My baby want to eat food.
Who's your baby?
My baby Yuki. My dog.
Oh. Can I see your dog, Kuya Dondon?
You want to see? Okay.
Dog, 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 dog. Your dog is big or small?
No. Small. Come baby.
Christina, welcome.
It's my baby.
Kuya Gi, ang cute.
My
Dog, this one
baby.
is dog. Is looks like cat.
Because I cut the hair 2 days before. He's look like a small now. Baby ko.
Pero invite, ano, di rin sila naka-online na dalawa. Oh. Meron ka bang signal? Di ka man na-stuck. Hindi ka naman nakumatos dyan. Ayun, nakumatos ka na. Nakumatos din ako?
Sat, sat. Na, 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 na.
Alikas.
Wala.
Wale.